Hello, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. On this hand, I have a blue holographic nail polish I ordered from Wish. I have one coat on this hand. Started out with my base coat. Put one coat of this on. It's Bursted Line by Sinful. And I got one coat of this on so far. We're going to do a second coat. This is a really beautiful blue hollow nail polish. Don't forget to cap the ends of your nails. This is just really pretty. This was like $3 off of Wish and $2 shipping, I think, maybe, or could have even been free for all I remember. I got it like 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, hopefully, this is a beautiful, beautiful blue holographic nail polish. I hope you can see the colors of the rainbow in it. We're going to let it dry really quickly, and then I will be putting on Sesh Feet, my fast drying top coat. I really love this. I just posted a video, a 45-second video. I'm doing a random giveaway. So look for the video, comment you want in, and you'll be entered. The drawing is on February the 14th. You will be receiving 4 bottles of nail polish from me, plus a nail polish holder. And those bad boys come in very handy, because I am one for knocking over a bottle of nail polish. Cap your ends with your top coat. Don't forget to do that. And you can see once this top coat goes on, it just really brings out the hollow. And we love hollow, don't we? And I have a stubby nubbin still here. That one is still growing out. I'm hoping by March for my birthday manicure that it's fully grown out. I'm going to be doing a French manicure. Not exactly too sure what kind, but it'll be one. And there we go. Nails are polished. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. Please click subscribe, click the bell so you get notified of all videos in the future. Give it a big thumbs up for me, please, and comment below if you liked it. Thank you, and have a blessed day.